First, roll your Caddytrack onto its back. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, loosen the motor sleeve clamp and slide over, exposing the motor sleeve screw. Using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove motor sleeve screw and set aside. Using a rubber mallet, tap the motor outward. Remove black tape from motor wires and pull wires apart. To remove motor from wheel, loosen all 6 screws with a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Now pull screws out and set aside. Rotate wheel to remove from motor. When installing wheel to motor, align screw holes on front and back. When installing screws, tighten screws in a cross pattern. To plug motor wires together, align arrows and press wires firmly together. Use black tape to secure wire connection. Push wires into frame. Align motor sleeve pin with slot in frame and push motor sleeve into frame. Careful not to kink the 2 black O-rings. Tap the outside of the motor with a rubber mallet if needed. Install the motor sleeve screw. Slide motor sleeve clamp back into position and tighten firmly. You have successfully replaced your Caddytrack motor. You're now ready to roll.